Hey guys, today we are creating the candy from the kit called Heart Minion Foodie Foodie Shake. It is a banana flavored candy shake and it's absolutely delicious and easy to make. All you're going to need is milk and 1 ice cube. Inside the bag is a cup, straw, and a blue bag full of banana tasting powder. There is a tiny little star on the side of the cup. This is your measuring tool. Pour the milk to that star. I went a little over, but it doesn't seem to make any difference. Take the blue packet and pour it into the cup. Take an ice cube and drop it into the liquid, and then stir it all with your spoon or straw. Place the cap back on, put the straw in the cup, and you're done. Enjoy your tasty drink. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this.